So, anong gusto niyong topic for today before I end my live? This is just actually a quick live because I woke up so early today and I couldn't sleep anymore. So, I decided to, clean some stuff and organize some stuff and unbox the gifts for my children. Thank you so much. So manifestation is really real. Remember, we did it, listing down all of the things that I wanted for this year. So some of them, check off. Ay, thank you, Antoinette. Shy, thank you. Shy. Ano ba? Check off? Grabe, sobrang mahal ng ticket na pauwi. Nakakaloka kayo. Asan si Jusa? Doon ata siya. Maya, silipin ko. Maybe she's hiding there. I'll check. Hindi ko alam. Hindi naman kami mag-asawa. Hindi ako updated sa live ni Jusa. Tsaka may Kong yun. For sure, alam ni Kong kung nasan siya. Hoy! Official mo siya. Thank you. Guys, thank you po. Thailand po. Mura lang. Oh, hindi din. I just checked it last night. Ang hirap. I think kasi syempre alam nila na holiday ngayon. So lahat ng mga nasa Vietnam ngayon magsisilabasan sila. Shake your head. Ay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, babies, for sending me gifts. Okay, so what's our topic for today before I end my live? So yeah, this is a pajama morning. Oh yes, MUPH is starting already. So it's been a year, honestly. Kasi naalala ko, these times din yun nung contract signing namin. So yeah, it's been a year since I joined Miss Universe Philippines. Yes. I just recently saw a video about Anita and G? What's his name? Gigi? Gigi ang pronounce, or he. Hi, Laya. This series, hello. Yeah, so Gigi. Yeah. Tawang-tawa ako kasi he went on live tapos parang he was showing a standee of Jessie. Tama ba? And then when Anita went on his live, he pushed the standee. It was really crazy and funny. Ayaw niya ng she? Ayaw niya ng he? She siya? Oh, okay. Whatever. So she. I know, but maybe that's her pronouns. He. Okay, so she siya. Oh, girl, kinilig ako sa kanila. Fan na ako nila. Nakakakilig sila. Nakakainis. Ayan o, nakikita nyo? Nakita nyo ugat? Nakita niyo ugat? Ayan o, lumalabas siya. Nakakaloka yung ugat na yan. Ang laki niya. Isang straight. Oo, lalo na yung live, tawang-tawa ako. Hindi, video lang yon. Serena, hello, thank you. Hi, Elle. Zara, hi. Natawa ako yung nakita yung pumasok si Anita sa live niyo. Bigla niyang tinapon yung standee. But yes, good luck to all the delegates of this year's Miss Universe Philippines! Grabe! Jin Rose Javier. Yes! So she is our representative for this year's Miss Universe Philippines. Let's also support her, guys. She is my baby girl. Very sweet. She's so matangkad, so beautiful, intelligent also. So let's support her, a representative of Sultan Kudarat for MUPH. Anong hala? Wait lang. Oh, thank you because Jonna, thank you. Hi, Lai. Yung bata may pajama. Let's see. Anyway, mag-ano kaya tayo? Ano nga yun yung live together with someone? Paano nga yun yung mag-invite ng live? Random. Kasi I have to end na my live, guys. I still have to pack. Ito yung sakit lagi. Laging nawawala ang pair ng isang medyas. Ewan ko, nasaan na yan. I was trying to look for the video that I did during my press conference in Sultan Kudarat a year ago. Kasi hinahanap ko yung term. Naalala ko kasi during Binibining Pilipinas, the supporters also gave us a name for my batch. Parang Bardagulan ba yun? Parang I think it started there back in 2022. Tapos, nung batch namin, puksaan ba yung term? Nireto ni Emma si Muham kay Gigi. We? PK battle. Uy, totoo ba? Hindi naman siguro. Totoo? Okay. I-unfollow si Ate Emma. Seryoso, wala ka naman yun. Hindi naman, siguro friends lang. Hello, te. Totoo ba? Nireto mo daw si Muam kay Hihi. Sumagot ka, huwag kang tumawa. Kailangan ko ng sagot today. Or else, I'm going to block you in 3 minutes. No, in 10 minutes. Only 5 minutes now. Kung hindi mo ibalik ang mga anak ko, charot. Iba pala yun. Sorry po, sorry. Erica, thank you. Naalala ko yung phone yung na. Gusto ko yung dati. Yung how are you? Nakakailo naman yung mga comment na yan. Isa-isa lang. Ano? Binawi naman din, Dad. Pero sabi ni Ate Emma, taken na daw si Muham. Kaya si Anita na lang ang binigay. Hoy, pero kinikilig ako kay Anita tsaka kay Anito. Charot. Kay Hihi. dun sa video kasi. Charot lang. Fan na ako ng love team nila. Kung ano man yun. Kung love team man yun o kung anong team. Yo, tawa-tawa. Oh, so funny. Joanna, thank you. I will make sure that this time I will not turn these gifts into coins. Ang tanga-tanga lang. Okay, so ano ng topic natin? I have to end my live na. Baka lang kasi na-miss niyo ako. That's why I went on live today. This morning. So, tingnan niyo, lumalaki ulit yung nunal ko. So, ano siya? Lulubog lilitaw. Marua, baby, thank you. Official Muchi family, thank you. Ano? Ate Rona, thank you. Guys, ang laking tulong talaga ng binigay sa akin ni Ate Rona. So, thank you so much. You're my angel po. Thank you. Absent si Moon. Walang makulit na Moon today. Ang bilis ko ma-distract, yeah. Yeah, that's true. Hi, Virgo. Kamusta ang trip mo sa Indonesia? Okay, guys. Honestly, at first, I was really scared and nervous because, syempre, even though it is Miss Crown of Japan, the pageant was held in Indonesia, right? So, malamang sa malamang, the audience there would be Indonesians and also the media team. I was really scared because, syempre, diba, meron tayong konting puksaan na nagaganap online world. But then again, napakaganda ng pag-welcome nila sa akin. They're so very friendly. Kaya nga, diba, nag-joke pa yung hosts. Diba, nag-joke pa sila. Natawa na lang ako. Pero grabe. They were cheering for me, especially the pageant media there. And we even made a TikTok na post ni Oliver. Check it out. So yeah, it was so fun, even though it was just a quick trip. I really didn't have enough time to explore Jakarta. Ay, Lakshmi, thank you! Ayan! Ginita. Paano ba siya? Hinita. Yes, we also had a mini Q&A. It was a surprise, honestly. But it was quick, it was fun, and hopefully I could go back again to Indonesia. And also to some of their islands. Indonesia has 17,000 islands. Imagine, we're very proud with 7,000. How much more with their 17,000? Because the only island that I know is Bali, right? It's really famous, Bali. But I still want to explore more. Tsaka guys, napakaganda ng... Ayoko ng guys. Ano ba yan? Okay, babies. Ang ganda ng airport nila. They have a very huge, nice, modern... Ano pa? Huge, nice, modern... airport. Chrislene, hello! Munita! Muji! Sige na nga, patayin ko na to. Bye-bye! Galing pa to sa Indonesia. Tignan nyo. Oh. From Harriston Hotel. Sakit yan. Kasi ano to eh. Hindi to yung para siyang papel oh. Narinig nyo yun? Nag-echo pa. Thank you, Ate Rona. Ayaw mo ng Mama Rona? Hyacinth, thank you. Okay, so anong topic natin? Dali na. 5 minutes to go. Kasi dapat... Ay! Shane, thank you. That's so cute. Kasi I have to be ready by 10 a.m. You know, mabagal ang person na to kumilos. Pero yun naman na lang eh. Pagpag na lang tong kama. Tapos okay na to. Okay na ta. Live ka sa 14. Okay, sige. Yun ang next live natin. So, abangan nyo. So, no live muna. Starting tomorrow. Hi, Mon! You're here na. Okay, so no live tomorrow. No. Maling crown yun, me. Maling crown. Okay, so no live tomorrow up until the next day. So, let's all wait on... Uy! Friday the 13th! Alam niyo ba, I don't believe na malas ang Friday the 13th. Kasi birthday ng ate ko 13. Parang lucky number ko ang 13 also. Okay, so let's do a countdown. Kasi diba, ipopost ko yung thank you, Shay. Shay? Shay or Shy? Ipopost ko yung hey, what's up, Tatiana? What's yeah, Tatiana? What's up ba yun? What's up, Tatiana? But anyway, yeah. Real ba yan? What's real? Bakit hoy? Ano meron? Naliligo ka pa ba? Mukha bang hindi ako naliligo? Ha? Dry lang yung buhok ko. Mukha lang akong tuyot. Pero nagwiwisik-wisik ako paminsan-minsan. Tsaka conserve water. Magiging Miss Water ba ako kung hindi ako nagko-conserve ng tubig? Ha? Tsaka kaka-AI nyo kasi wala na tuloy tubig. Tigil nyo na yan mga anak. Kasi grabe yung sakripisyo ko sa buhay natin na to. Sinasakripisyo ko ang ligo para lang magampanan nyo yung AI nyo. Ha? Grabe, imagine nyo yan. Naliligo ako halos ng isang beses lang sa loob ng isang linggo. No? Para lang maging maganda yung AI yung ina-upload. Kwento mo yan eh. Sige. Pero hindi. Kaya rin hindi talaga ako nagligo madalas. Kasi, syempre, di ba? Sinusuportahan ko yung mga kalukuhan niyo with AI. Kwento mo naman nung nag-meet kayo ulit ni Muhang. Okay, so diba medyo na-late nga ako. Supposedly, free dapat ako the whole day. Pero nga kasi, nagkaroon ako ng biglaang schedule. But then, I explained it to her. And then she said, no worries, it's okay, I understand. So, yun, we had whole day shoot with the Miss Cosmo family, and that shoot is for the Tet holiday. So abangan niyo rin yan. They will for sure upload it during the Tet holidays. Verified ka na pala? Yes! Hindi mo lang napansin. Hi, amor. Si Muno. Mapuksaan. Puksaan about? Thank you, Official Muchi. Kaya ka may kutumi. Ano ka ba? Isang suyod lang yan. Finally, you go on live. Yeah, Maxine, thank you. Nagpapamiss kasi ako. Rhea, thank you for the gift. Welcome to my live. Ah! This is cute, Char. Thank you. Wait ko lang kung water. Pero ang gaan talaga ng live. Thank you for this camera stick. Ayan o. Pwede ko lang siya adjust. Ayan. Tapos andito lang ako na ganyan-ganyan. Ang upo-upo. Skip ads. Anong ads? Hindi na natapos ang kwento. Anong kwento? Okay, nasan na ako nun? Oh my God, kaya ayoko nagla-live. Nakikita niyo ang kapansanan ko. Oh my God. Ayoko na. Okay, sakit ko rin yan. For example, naglilinis ako. Linis lang ng CR ah. Maya-maya, malapit na ako matapos. Iiwanan ko yan. Iiwanan ko yan. Pupunta ako ng kwarto para magtupi ng damit. Ganon yung sakit ko. Ano ba yan? Short-term attention span. Ha? Ano daw? Anyway, ano na yung kwento ko? Kasalanan niyo to kasi. Kung ano-ano kasi kinukomment niyo. Yan. Binabasa ko lang naman. Asan na ako? Wait lang. Lagyan niyo yung ano. Nasan na ako sa kwento? Grabe, ang natatandaan kong kwento about nung nag-Indonesia ko. Ano ba kwento ko? Yung date natin. Akala ko free ka. Kailan today? Oh, yun. Oo. Yeah, na-late ako. Ayoko na! Ano ba to? Ganun daw talaga pag si Sarian. Madaling makalimot. Ang init ng mata ko. Antok pa ako pero I could not sleep. ADHD ba tawag? Hindi. Sakit yan ng mga cesarean. Madali mo kalimot. Anyway. So, yun. Yeah. Late? Late ako? Yes, late ako. Late ako nung dating kay Muham. Tama ba? Yes, okay. So yes, shoot namin the whole day for Tet. Hindi na nga muna ako magbabasa ng comment. So shoot namin yon the whole day nung Tet. Tapos, I asked her if it's okay that I'm going to be late kasi nga I did not know na we're going to have this shoot for a whole day. Tapos sabi niya naman, yes, I do understand. It's okay, take your time. But could we eat dinner? Because I'm really hungry right now. Tapos sabi ko, okay, I'm about to leave naman na this place. So I think let's have dinner na lang. Tapos sabi niya, okay, sige, I hope to see you at 7. So, siguro yun, dumating ako. Not sure, I think not exactly 7 p.m. Pero yun yung sinet niyang time for us. Pero hindi naman ako super late. Siguro, I think about 15 minutes. So, nauna na siya dun sa place. And then, I actually requested for a Thai food. Kasi, I'm craving Thai food. Tapos, sabi pa ni, sino nga to? Ayan na, wala na, nag-loading na ako. But I'm just so happy kasi she did not react when I requested for Thai food. Because I was really craving that day. So, we decided to eat at some on Thai, some in Thai something. And the food that she ordered, everything that she ordered was all my favorite. From the Thai milk tea to pad Thai to pakraw, something. Everything that she ordered was all my favorite. So when I went there, the food was already there. The Thai milk tea was already there. So she ordered it even before before I went there. So yeah, yun lang. Yun na. Yun ang kwento. So we have so many chika. Kausap ko yung bata. Kasi nadidistract ako sa comment kasi. Laban sarili. Kasalanan niyo to. Okay, so after our dinner, we also decided to get a matcha drink. Even before that, we saw a photo booth. She actually saw it first. Sabi niya, there's a photo booth. Let's try it. Tapos sabi ko, sige. So yun. So after that photo booth, we had a cute photo shoot. So makikita niyo yun sa mini vlog. And after that, she booked a Grab going to this matcha place. It's really a beautiful matcha place. However, when we went there, it's almost closing time. So the only option available is to, have your drinks to, take out options only since they're about to close now. Kasi parang na yun before 10 p.m. so around 9:40 something. So they did not allow us to stay there to have our drinks. So sabi ko, I think we have to find another matcha place. But the matcha places that we have found were about to close na rin. So we decided to go to her hotel. Yes, siya ang nagdala sa akin sa hotel. Okay? Hindi ako. Siya. Ang haba ng hair pero dry. Tsaka may kuto. Payag ganun. Kinabahan ka ba? Kinabahan ako. Like, first time ko madala sa hotel na yun Nagganon-ganon yung heart ko. Tapos ito pa nakakatawa. Nag-order siya ng matcha, diba? Kasi nga, halos lahat nung store na pupuntahan namin magko-close na. Pero available pa siya for delivery. So, nasa hotel na kami. Ang galing niya kasi habang pauwi na kami ng hotel, nakatulog ako. So, hindi ko sure ilang minutes ako nakatulog. Pero pagdating namin ng hotel, so, habang bumabiyahe kami, she already ordered the matcha. So, when we went to the hotel, when we arrived there, the matcha also arrived. Pero nakakatawa kasi nalito kami kung sino yung driver ng matcha. Kasi sabay na 2 grab yung sumulpot. Yun pala yung isang grab yung may hawak ng matcha. Yun lang. Yung kiss. Di niya naman ako kinis. Ako pa nag-kiss sa kanya. Ano rin yun eh. Paasa. Hindi, nahihiya lang siya. Nagkahiyaan. Pause. Pasabi-sabi pa. Kiss first. Kiss first. Nahiya yun. But anyway, napasobra na ang kwento ko. Bye everyone! Thank you for listening to all my stories. Sasabihin ko sana walang kwentang stories, pero may kwenta pala yun. And yes, happy 1 million! Thank you so much! I really have to end now. Malilate na naman ako. Lagi na lang ako late. Very Filipino time. Jonah, thank you. Riley, thank you. I just want to shout out all the top viewers of our live today. Of course, Ate Rana, thank you to my official Mushi. Riley, thank you. Shy, Shay. Ano ba? Shy or Shay? Kim, of course, Moon, Rhea, Lai, Lay. Pa, Lay? Char, Chrislene, thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Amor, thank you. Rix, thank you. Michiko, Danny, thank you. So yun, okay, so hindi muna tayo magla-live for how many days, but let's have a countdown on Friday the 13th. Oh my God! Wala lang. Anyway. Thank you everyone and happy morning. I still have to fix some stuff and take a bath. Nagpapamiss. Bakit? Ano na ba ngayon? 10 naman na ngayon, di ba? 11? 12? So, ilang days lang naman. But, okay, I'll see you on Friday, 11:50. Okay? Bye-bye! And thank you so much for staying here. Appreciate you all. Ay, PM. Countdown eh, bago mag Valentine's Day. Tayo-tayo na lang magsama-sama. Tayo-tayo na lang. Huwag nang makipag-date dyan sa kung sino man yan. Tayo-tayo na lang lahat mag-date. Yes, of course, with Mami Shark. Countdown ni Tatiana. Time ng Pilipinas, syempre. Anyway, bye-bye everyone. Thank you, babies. So see you on Friday the 13th. Bye-bye. And check mo na, Moy.